Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech. Everyone, I'm just using for this video my Boya microphone. It is suitable for YouTubing, and if you wanna buy this microphone, this microphone name is Boya M1, and I'll give the link, buy link from Amazon. So click the link and buy this microphone for your best YouTubing recording video. Best microphone in cheap price. Thank you very much. Go to the link under this video and buy this microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech Master BD. Today I'm gonna show you how to keyword research for your YouTube videos. I mean to say YouTube SEO. So search engine optimization. It will rank your video and your YouTube channel, and you will get success early. So let's get started the video. So first of all, I will show you 4 ways to develop or rank your video. So here it is. First of all, keyword research with Google AdWords. Okay, this is the most important thing to rank your video and for your YouTube SEO. So let's get started. The first one, okay, as Google AdWords key planners. Search Google AdWords key planners. Okay, so click here. Click here. Yeah, here it is. Discover new keywords. First of all, look at tools and select keywords, keyword planners. So click here, then you'll see this page and start discover new keywords here. Then enter product or service closely related to your business. Then just type your targeted keywords which is relevant to your videos. So then try meal delivery or no. So search like how to earn money from YouTube. Okay guys, so then search it. Okay, you can also you can also select your video location, your countries, like USA, Bangladesh, India, okay, so you can choose your countries, your targeted location in your in this sector, enter a location to target, and if you don't wanna select any location, then just delete it for global viewers. Okay, so save it. So search how to earn money from YouTube. Okay, so get result, search it. Okay, so here you will get lots of keywords, average monthly search, competition, ad impression share, top of paid bid, low range, top of paid bid, high range, account status. Okay, so if you want to rank your video, you need lots of keywords which is relevant and which is very much high volume saturated keywords. So you search here competition medium. Don't select competition medium, and select low here. Okay, monthly search, average monthly search, select this option for your SEO rank. Okay, so how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so this one 100k to 1 million search, and you will see the ad rates, top of paid bid also. Okay, so this one is good. Okay, competition 1k. Select these keywords because of this search volume is high. Average monthly search 10,000k to 100k is good. Okay, don't see the high paid or top paid bid because of that. If you are a new YouTuber, so don't select this or search high range keywords. Okay, so search only for monthly searches, high volume and low competition rank videos, or low competition like searchable keywords. So select, I'm selecting this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so select height, and after selecting this, then copy, click here copy, then just here keywords. Okay, so then paste here. Okay, so then save. Okay, after selecting these keywords, then go to your videos options, this here, and this is the video. Then just okay, so then just copy hello. So here it is. Then the to copy because of that. Okay, so when you just copy this, add and give it here. Give it comma. Okay, and then copy, then share. Okay, so the enter a comma after each tag. Okay, so here it is of oh my god, your tags exceed the allowed character count. Okay, so you'll have to delete some keywords. Okay, so yeah, this is the process is like saved here, and try to give a best title like how to make money on YouTube 2021. This is the efficient, you can also give it. So whatever you can wanna give, then in your title, then you can give. So how to create a YouTube channel 2021, YouTube money. Okay, so yeah, I have given this after researching words. There's good and capable, I think so. This keywords is perfect. So then let's get to the next video. Next chapter is like go and see keywords. Here it is. Keyword is with Google search engine. Okay, so I'll make a second part video because this video will take more time. Then if you wanna learn or listen a more SEO, YouTube SEO keyword, then you will have to watch second part. Okay, so now, so go to the video and just open a new tab and just search. Here is the process, easy process for everyone. How to earn money from YouTube. Yeah, this is the most searchable keywords on YouTube. Okay, so this keyword is so much important for you. And just click on the first one, copy, then okay, first one, then select, okay, then select second one, go and Bangladesh, how to earn money from YouTube channel in Bangladesh, in India, whatever country you live in. By the way, how to earn money from YouTube shorts videos, no, how to earn money from YouTube channel, this one, just copy and paste. Okay, then you will also can check your the searchable keyword which is more relevant. So this one here, you also get some here enable link. You will have to understand your searchable keywords. I will show you after second video or first video about vidIQ, okay, and also TubeBuddy. You will see in this two extensions important their works. Okay, so now we will also search. This is the searchable keywords. Okay, you can also use in your videos. Okay, then your video will rank easily. This is the second method I'm showing you in this video. Okay, is second way. Just copy and just put in your video, okay, here like this. If you don't have Google AdWords, then that will be the best choice for SEO, YouTube video SEO. So this is the second way. So guys, I'll make another video and second part about YouTube SEO. So now till then, bye. And if you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please comment in the comment section below. Okay, so this is the first method and second method, and I will show you in second part that about VIQ and vidIQ and YouTube buddy search, how to search and rank your YouTube keywords. Okay, so now till then, bye and tata.